RarCrack is a tool available in Linux operating systems for cracking passwords of archived files. With this tool, a user can attempt to crack a file's password when they have forgotten it or need access to the protected content of the file. RarCrack is a dictionary-based tool and enables dictionary, brute force, and hybrid attacks. A dictionary attack is an attempt to crack a password using a list of passwords from a dictionary, while a brute force attack is an attempt to crack a password using all possible combinations of characters. A hybrid attack is a combination of both methods. The time it takes for a program to crack a password depends on its length and complexity, and the performance of your computer. As a hacker, you should gather information about the victim before cracking the password to narrow your search. You can analyze and check weak passwords, or you can use a list of thousands of popular passwords available on the internet and perform a dictionary attack. If that didn't help, you're left with the brute force attack I showed you in this video. But keep in mind that it can literally take months to crack a difficult password. The most important rule to be safer is not to publish sensitive data on the internet: date of birth, place of residence, family, etc. If you disagree with this because you want to receive virtual birthday wishes and your social account password is your name plus year of birth, then don't be surprised that one day someone will hack you because it will be only your fault. Always send passwords to files in a different way than the one you sent the encrypted file. Create long and complex passwords. You can use generators available on the internet, or you can create your own, for example in Python. The link to my video on how to create a password generator will be displayed to you in a moment, or you can find it directly on my channel.